It's Piper, and I'll be doing my presentation on Kaliningrad. Kaliningrad was founded as Koenigsberg in the year 1255 by the Teutonic Order. This Baltic region city became part of the Duchy of Prussia and later German East Prussia. In 1945, after World War II, in the Potsdam Conference, the northern part of East Prussia, including Koenigsberg, was ceded to the USSR and renamed Kaliningrad. German residents were expelled and the region repopulated with Soviet citizens. After 1991, it became a Russian exclave. It was separated from the mainland Russia, surrounded by Poland and Lithuania, and positioned on the Baltic Sea. Kaliningrad is unique because although it is a Russian region, it is separated from the main part of Russia. Its location gives unique character as it is part of the European continent, part of Russian territory, and because of the unique geography, the region has unusual natural features not always found in the typical mainland Russia. The population is primarily ethnic Russians now, but historically the region had more German, Baltic, Prussian, and Polish representation. The region retains dishes from its German past, for example, the iconic Koenigsberger Klopse, which is meatballs and caper sauce, shown in the bottom right, and they still appear on menus in Kaliningrad. There's a famous local candy called the Koenigsberg marzipan, and that is the picture on top. It's a traditional sweet with deep roots in the region. Because the region is on the Baltic coast, foods like smoked eel, fresh fish, and other seafood specials are part of the local food identity. Since the population is primarily ethnic Russians now, it also has a lot of traditional Russian foods. The region is known for amber, and that is fossil resin. It has one of the largest deposits in the world. More than 90% of the world reserves of amber are near this region. Sometimes it is referred to as Baltic gold. Amber is largely used in crafts and jewelry making and in strong local traditions. It's also a big part of the cultural identity. Sea buckthorn oil and other local plant and honey products are also produced in the region, reflecting the local natural resource traditions. The Baltic Sea coastline, seaside resorts, dunes, and forests draw visitors. The region also has unique ecosystems. The Krutskaya Koska is also known as the Curonian Split, is a narrow sand dune peninsula that separates the Baltic Sea from the Curonian Lagoon. The total length is about 98 kilometers, and part of it lies in Russia, and in Russia as in Kaliningrad, and part of it is in Lithuania. At its narrowest width, it can be as little as 400 meters. Unique landscapes are seen there, such as large shifting dunes, pine forests, a lagoon on one side, and a sea on the other. It is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a migration corridor for birds during spring and autumn. Many visitors go to watch the millions of birds pass through. Along the split, there are small villages historically inhabited by the Curonian or Baltic tribes, then German and East Prussia, now Russians, giving a layered cultural heritage. The tourism here is important because it offers beautiful nature walks, bird watching, dune climbing, and coastal recreation. The Tansuyushi List is the dancing forest. It is located on the Curonian Split. Many visitors make sure to spend time here. It's famous for pictures because it's a mystery The exact cause of the tree distortions is not fully known. Hypotheses include soil, wind, and caterpillars. Locals regard it as a fun oddity in nature. As an exclave shaped by centuries of change, its natural wonders invite us not only to admire their beauty, but to reflect on how borders, culture, and conservation intersect in a fragile living environment.